Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate IRA contributions with Charles Schwab, beginner guide step by step. To activate IRA contributions with Charles Schwab, you first need to visit the Charles Schwab website. Once there, locate the Open an Account button. Select Individual Retirement Accounts from the menu options. Choose the type of IRA you want to open, such as a traditional or Roth IRA. Click on Apply Now for your selected IRA option. You will be prompted to create or log into your Schwab account. If you do not have an account, select the option to create a new one. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, complete the eligibility questions for the IRA. Once you've filled in your details, review the terms and agreements. After that, proceed to funding options for your new IRA. You can transfer funds from an existing account or choose to make a deposit. Select your preferred funding method and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. After funding your IRA, you will receive confirmation of your account setup. Log into your Schwab account to manage your contributions. Navigate to the Accounts section to view your IRA details. From here, you can easily track your contributions and investment options. Monitor your contributions to ensure you stay within IRS limits throughout the year. Utilize the resources and tools available on the Schwab platform for investment guidance. Always keep your financial goals in mind as you manage your IRA contributions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.